In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Trello plan. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Trello account at Trello.com. Once you're in, head over to your boards page. This is the main hub where all your Trello projects are organized. Now from here, you'll need to select the specific workspace that you want to update. It's important to note that plans are managed at the workspace level, so make sure you're choosing the correct one. Once you've selected your workspace, look over to the sidebar on the left side of your screen. You should see an option that says Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the configuration options for your workspace. Now that you're in the Settings area, the next step is to access the billing information. Look for the option labeled Billing. This area is where you can manage your subscription. Once you click on it, you should see a section that says Choose Plan. Take a moment to scroll through the available options you have. This is where you can see different plans like Trello Standard and Trello Premium. Let's break down what these plans offer. If you're looking for extra features, Trello Standard is a great choice. It comes with additional functionalities such as advanced checklists and custom fields, which can really enhance your productivity. On the other hand, if you're managing more complex projects and need some advanced tracking tools, Trello Premium might be the way to go. This plan includes fantastic features like timeline views, dashboard insights, and calendar views, which can help you stay on top of deadlines and team tasks. Once you've decided which plan best fits your needs, it's time to enter your payment details. You'll need to provide your card information and billing address. Make sure everything is correct, as this information is essential to process your payment. After you've entered your payment information, click on the Next button. This will take you to a confirmation screen where you can review your selection. Double-check that the plan you've chosen and the pricing information are correct. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on Confirm Payment. And that's it. Once you confirm your payment, your workspace will automatically update to reflect the new plan. You'll gain immediate access to all the features associated with that plan. So, in just a few minutes, you've successfully changed your Trello plan, unlocking new tools and features that can help you and your team work more efficiently. It really can make a difference in how you handle your projects moving forward. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on using Trello and other productivity tools. Happy organizing!